Hello, great family. This is Stephen Gariba, the plant ambassador, the practicing herbalist, the herbal educator, and the herbal researcher. Today, I want us to look at a very powerful tree that the leaves is very powerful for those battling with diabetes, very good for the prostate gland, and many, many more. We are talking about guava leaves today. Don't forget to like the video, share with your loved ones, follow us on Facebook, Zerba-Ne TV, on YouTube, the name is Zerba-Ne TV, and on TikTok, Zerba-Ne TV. Guava leaves is very powerful, very simple to process, very simple to prepare. See, you need fresh guava leaves, dry them in the room for at least 5 days or even more. Then you boil these leaves and take 250 ml first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before or after meals. Then you repeat them in the evening. Do this for up to 12 weeks. A lot of research findings has proven that taking guava leaves for up to 12 weeks is very good for those battling with diabetes. It can lower your sugar levels, very powerful when it comes to detoxification of the liver. Yes. See, when you take guava leaf tea, it helps reduce your LDL cholesterol. By so doing, it improves liver health. It is very good when it comes to improving your digestion. Those of you battling with indigestion and many other GI implications, taking guava leaf tea can improve digestion. It improves sperm quality and treats low sperm count. A lot of research has proven so. When you take guava leaf tea, it's good for those battling with low sperm count. And see, as a man, you don't have to play or joke with guava leaves. Guava leaves is very powerful for the prostate gland. See, it lowers the risk of oral cancers, prostate cancers, and let me tell you, the reason why I have been talking about guava leaves in relation to that of the prostate gland is that a lot of research has proven that guava leaves contain what we call lycopene. And lycopene makes the prostate gland function very well. So taking guava leaf tea improve your prostate glands, efficiency. And it's also very good for heart health, very good for the brain. It improves brain health because guava leaves is loaded with vitamin D3 and B6. And these two vitamins are very crucial when it comes to your brain health. It improves kidney health, very good because it has a property called cardioprotective. That means it is very good for the heart. So taking guava leaf tea is just a lifesaver. See, follow our pages on Facebook, Zerba-Ne TV, on YouTube, Zerba-Ne TV, on TikTok, the name is Zerba-Ne TV. Help us grow this our platform so we can learn more about African indigenous medicinal plants. Follow us to learn more. Till we meet again on another side, stay safe and bye bye for now.